How do I preview my tax return online on Jackson Hewitt? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to jacksonhewitt.com. Then over here, you want to click on Login/Sign Up option. Now select My JH account. Then on this page, you will have to enter some of your information. Enter your username or email, then enter your password. After that, you want to click on the Sign In option. Now, before you file, you can preview your tax return. First, you want to select My Account. Then you will have to select your return. If you have filed multiple years or returns, select the one you wish to preview. Once you have selected the appropriate return, you should be able to review it in detail. Jackson Hewitt is going to provide a summary of your tax return showing key information such as income, deductions, credits, and tax owed or refunded. Take your time to review each section of your return for accuracy. Ensure that all the information is correct and matches your records. After you have previewed your information, depending on the options available, you will be able to download a PDF copy of your tax return for the records or to print it out. If you have any questions or concerns, you can directly contact the customer support of Jackson Hewitt. They will be able to assist you further on any of your confusions. If you notice any errors or discrepancies in your tax return, you can make corrections. Jackson Hewitt will allow you to amend your return if necessary. Once you are satisfied with the accuracy of your tax return, you can proceed to file it electronically. All you have to do is follow the on-screen prompts to file it. Remember to keep your copy of tax return for your records, whether it is electronic or in printed format. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.